YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And here we go, guys. We are in a new year. New item. Feels like a pillow. But who knows? And like I said, all you guys gotta do is check out the link down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out so they can ship it to you fast. And here we go. One more package. Oh yeah. Okay. I got the Amazon bag emptied out. Well, I think this is maybe it's a fleece. Oh baby. Alrighty. Vacuum sealed pretty good. Oh, it's a jacket. Alright. Definitely it's winter time. Ooh. Oh. It's coming from, oh, it's pretty heavy. Lavin Nicole, or Outdoor Sports. Take a look at this thing. Oh, nice. Got some pockets here. Some deep pockets. Pockets here. Oh yeah. This looks a lot better than my jacket that I have now. Got Velcro and zipper. Oh yeah. Well, it's kind of like a shirt ball. It is latest voyage. Ice Killers series. Waterproof, breathable fabric. See? Ooh. There we go. So if you're looking for a winter coat, click the link down below. Comes with a hoodie you can take off and on. As you can see right here. Snap that off. I'll keep it on. I like hoodies. Yeah, this is definitely a nice, really nice jacket. Do. Got the inside. Oh, baby. So, there you go, guys. Check them out. Links down below. Be safe. Have a good night.